Okay, today we are making a butternut squash soup. So here's a butternut squash. My girls drew some faces on it for me. I'm gonna cut it up, looks great. Careful not to cut yourself because these can be slippery. I find it's quick and easy for me just to cut off the skin like so and then cube it in small, like, 1 inch or 3/4 inch cubes. This is a simple recipe. It's basically salt and pepper, garlic, onion, butternut squash, potatoes, celery, carrots, and some bell pepper with some vegetable broth. And scrape out the seeds and the gook. I think you get the idea here. So we'll chop up all the rest of our vegetables, carrots, I don't do any fancy seasonings. My girls and I like it just like this. Pretty basic, quick and easy, healthy. Celery, little bell pepper, I chop off the white membrane stuff, inside the bell pepper. I got a half an onion left over. I'm going to throw that in. It's a sweet onion. If you don't like onion, you don't have to include it. Okay, I'm going to peel a couple potatoes, regular russet potatoes. They've already been washed. And same thing, just going to chop them up into bite-sized pieces. And do one more. We're going to be cooking this in the Instapot. Use fresh garlic. I'm using minced garlic already chopped up and some vegetable broth. I'm going to put the entire box in here and that's it. That's what it looks like. A little fresh ground black pepper, pinch of salt. Then we'll go ahead and put it on the Instapot for 40 minutes on medium heat. Okay, it's been 40 minutes. I also cooked a pot of rice. That's jasmine rice. We like to have rice with our soup. Turn this off. Relieve the pressure, the steam. Okay, now it's safe to take the lid off. See what we got. That looks good. Give it a stir, make sure everything's nice and soft. Yep. See, the butternut squash is soft, starting to fall apart. So this is done. We'll put some rice in a bowl and then put the soup on top of that. And there's the final result. I hope this helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.